OpenAI has launched a new reasoning model that significantly enhances AI capabilities. This model, called o3-Mini, differs from standard language models by focusing on complex reasoning challenges. It excels in tasks such as analyzing scientific data, synthesizing research, solving problems, improving and debugging code, and automating workflows. Similar to the O1 model family, the O3 series includes multiple versions. The O1 base model is the most powerful but requires substantial computing power. In contrast, o3-Mini is a more compact version designed for greater efficiency in both performance and cost. While it sacrifices some features to reduce computational demands, it retains core reasoning capabilities. The o3-Mini model was made available to the public on January 31st, 2025. At launch, OpenAI introduced three variations: o3-Mini Low, o3-Mini Medium, and o3-Mini High. These tiers indicate different levels of reasoning ability, with o3-Mini High offering the most advanced reasoning capabilities, though it takes slightly longer to generate results. The 5 prompts you should try. The first prompt we'll explore involves providing AI with specific knowledge and a clear subject for what you want it to generate. By explicitly stating the topic and the depth of knowledge required, you'll receive detailed explanations that break down complex concepts into easy-to-understand language. For example, you can prompt the model to act as a PhD-level marine biology expert and explain how deep-sea animals survive near underwater volcanoes, focusing on the role of bacteria in their survival. Be sure to specify that it should include recent discoveries and discuss how this research contributes to new technological advancements. After using this prompt, you'll be impressed by how well o3-Mini simplifies challenging scientific concepts. It won't just describe how marine creatures endure extreme environments. It will also provide in-depth insights into bacterial symbiosis, highlight new findings, and explain how this knowledge is shaping cutting-edge technologies. This demonstrates one of o3-Mini's key strengths. Rather than simply repeating facts, it connects scientific ideas to real-world applications. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just a curious learner, o3-Mini serves as a valuable tool for understanding complex subjects. Next, let's dive into the 3 Gods prompt. This is an excellent test of o3-Mini's ability to break down intricate problems into clear, logical steps. The 3 Gods riddle works like a skilled instructor, guiding you through the reasoning process in a structured way, perfect for tackling tricky logic puzzles. To start, introduce the riddle to o3-Mini by explaining that it involves identifying 3 gods. One always tells the truth, one always lies. One answers randomly. However, you can only ask them 3 yes or no questions, and they respond using their own language, dai and jai, but you don't know which means yes or no. The challenge is to carefully craft your questions to determine which god is which. Using this prompt, you'll see how o3-Mini excels at logical reasoning, breaking the puzzle into manageable steps while explaining the thought process behind each move. It's a great way to explore the model's problem-solving skills and its ability to turn difficult puzzles into clear, structured answers. To solve this, we'll break the process down step by step, analyzing the logic behind each response and how it helps identify each god correctly. What stands out is how o3-Mini tackles the puzzle's tricky aspects, particularly the challenge of deciphering the dai and jai responses, while factoring in the random god. This demonstrates its ability to handle complex logical challenges while making them easy to understand. Whether you're a puzzle enthusiast or just beginning to explore logical reasoning. For the 3rd prompt, we're focusing on breaking down complicated philosophical questions into easy-to-understand analyses. By asking for different viewpoints and real-life examples, you'll receive a structured explanation of advanced concepts, making deep philosophical thinking more accessible. One way to test this is by asking o3-Mini whether water can be considered a living organism, instructing it to break down the answer using 3 distinct approaches: the biological definition of life, systems theory, and philosophical perspectives. Rather than dismissing the question with a simple biological explanation, the model delivers an engaging analysis that connects scientific principles, systems theory, and philosophy. What stands out is how it integrates technical concepts like emergence and self-organization with deeper philosophical insights, all while using clear examples to keep the explanation understandable. For the 4th prompt, we'll tackle challenging word puzzles and riddles step by step. This approach is particularly useful because it doesn't just provide the answer. It explains the reasoning behind it, helping users develop problem-solving skills. The riddle in question describes something that appears in multiple words. It is at the start of eternity and at the end of time and space. It is also at the beginning of every end and at the end of every place. To solve it, o3-Mini first outlines a structured plan, carefully analyzes each hint, and then reveals the answer while proving how it aligns with every clue. Instead of rushing to a solution, it thoughtfully dissects each part of the riddle, ultimately confirming that the correct answer is the letter E. This method showcases how o3-Mini excels, not just at solving puzzles, but also at explaining the logical steps behind each solution. For the final prompt, we'll explore whether o3-Mini can generate a game design. This test highlights how AI-driven game mechanics work by simplifying complex systems into structured, easy-to-follow concepts. It's an excellent way to understand modern game development or brainstorm new ideas. By prompting the model to create a game where AI learns from players, it outlines the core mechanics, explains how the AI adapts to player behavior, suggests ways to maintain balance, and considers potential unexpected behaviors. Instead of simply listing game features, o3-Mini delivers a well-thought-out design that carefully balances AI learning with player experience. It predicts possible issues such as the AI becoming overly specialized or difficulty levels fluctuating unexpectedly, and provides practical solutions for each challenge. This response showcases a strong understanding of both AI behavior and game design principles, proving that o3-Mini can tackle complex design challenges while ensuring an engaging and fair player experience. OpenAI's o3-Mini versus DeepSeek-R One, a head-to-head comparison. The recent launch of OpenAI's o3-Mini has made waves in the AI community, positioning itself as a strong competitor to DeepSeek-R One. Both models are designed to enhance reasoning and coding skills, yet they differ in structure, performance, accessibility, and intended use. In this comparison, we'll explore their strengths and weaknesses, focusing on their ability to handle logical reasoning, STEM challenges, and coding tasks. OpenAI's o3-Mini is a streamlined, faster version of the o3 model, built for speed and efficiency while maintaining advanced reasoning capabilities. In contrast, DeepSeek-R One, an open-source model, has gained popularity for its impressive performance and cost-effectiveness. The release of o3-Mini signals OpenAI's response to the growing competition from open-source models like DeepSeek-R One. When it comes to architecture and design, o3-Mini is optimized for quicker responses and lower computing power without compromising its problem-solving abilities. Meanwhile, DeepSeek-R One, developed by the Chinese AI startup DeepSeek, is recognized for its affordability and intelligent reasoning, making it a strong contender in the AI space. In direct comparisons, both models excel at analyzing information and explaining their reasoning. o3-Mini approaches problems by breaking them down into simple, logical steps, clearly listing the clues and insights it uses while continuously verifying its conclusions. This meticulous approach makes its responses highly reliable and easy to follow. DeepSeek-R One, on the other hand, presents its analysis in a more conversational style, but tends to be lengthier and less detailed. While its final response is accurate and well-structured, it does not provide the same level of explanation as o3-Mini, often summarizing insights rather than elaborating on them. Ultimately, both models offer strong reasoning and coding capabilities, but their advantages cater to different users. o3-Mini is faster, more precise, and excels at understanding complex prompts, while double-checking its reasoning at every step. However, it comes at a cost, whereas DeepSeek-R One is free and open source, making it more accessible. For straightforward tasks that don't require advanced reasoning, DeepSeek-R One is a solid choice, but if speed, accuracy, and more in-depth analysis are priorities, o3-Mini is the better option. The decision between the two depends on your specific needs, budget, and whether customization is a factor. If you've made it this far, let us know your thoughts in the comments. For more in-depth comparisons and AI insights, check out the recommended video on your screen. Thanks for watching.